viral content, generate viral traffic and messenger leads, and market to them in bulk, all done on complete autopilot, allowing you to get massive amounts of leads, sales, and profits 24 hours a day without you even lifting a finger. The leads are stored in the software, and you can communicate to them in bulk via Messenger with broadcast or scheduled messages. It's like having your own autoresponder for Facebook Messenger. And the great thing is that Messenger gets 100% inbox rates and up to 98% open rates, which is 10 times higher than communicating with email. And that's just scratching the surface of what the software can do for you. Socignitor can grow your social media following by sourcing viral hashtags, generating multilingual content, and utilizing the huge power of video without you ever having to create any video yourself. In short, the software is a complete Facebook marketing solution, enabling you to grow a huge following and generate high-quality leads, traffic, and sales on complete autopilot, effortlessly while you sit back and relax. With Socignitor, you can grow your online business and explode your profits by driving more free Facebook traffic to your websites, affiliate offers, CPA offers, e-commerce stores, squeeze pages, social media pages, blogs, anywhere else online, which means you make more money online, period. The reality is, if you're running any type of online business or are just doing this as a side hustle, you can use this powerhouse software to increase your bottom line. It really is that simple. And if you're thinking Facebook marketing is dead, think again. Facebook has over 1 billion active daily users and over 2 billion active monthly users, making it the third most popular website on the planet. Facebook Messenger has over 1.3 billion active users and is growing rapidly, with the number of users expected to reach 1.5 billion by 2020. That means 200 million users are expected to adopt Messenger imminently. Your prospects are using Facebook and Messenger around the clock. So if you're not marketing on Messenger, you're leaving a lot of easy money on the table. The bottom line is we've made the whole process of making money online from your Facebook account 100% automated, which means you can use Socignitor to make money automatically while you're sleeping, traveling, at the gym, watching TV, eating out, spending time with your family, or doing anything you like. Socignitor automates the entire process of marketing on Facebook at any time of the day, enabling you to really experience the laptop lifestyle. The software is even based on the cloud, so you can use it from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. So how much is this phenomenal Facebook marketing software going to cost? Let me be totally honest with you. We should be charging a monthly subscription for this powerhouse. But during the launch phase, we wanted to do something very special. So if you act today, you will receive lifetime access to Socignitor for a single low one-time fee. That one-time fee includes Socignitor, Socignitor Insights, world-class customer support, an agency license worth $497, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Pick it up today, as the price will be going to a monthly recurring model very soon. Hit the buy button below for instant access to Socignitor.